Hi Divas. I have in this ratty box something I got from the planner thingy, and it's basically for any journaler. I really cannot wait to see these. They are from the Netherlands, and I've got some special things to show you. This is a small, she had a sale on. This is a small journal cover. You can put your notebooks in by putting it, sliding them over one of the bands, so you can get, let's see, 2, 4, 6 different, well, 12 if you do them a certain way, but notebooks in here, and you have pockets on either side. This is for ThePlanyThing.com. I love the colors. Love the colors. So you could use it for journals, you could use it for junk journals, you could use it for a planner, you could use it for a lot of things. I got one that is classic planner size. This would be good for an A5, like a half page. This would be classic happy planner size. This is like a Hawaiian print. Isn't it beautiful? What a summer thing that would be. You don't have to use the elastics in there to hang anything off of. You can just slide your planner right in the middle of it. So I will see what happens when I get my new planners coming in. So pretty soon, when they come in this week, I will be showing you the happy planners that I have gotten from the spring review. Okay, this is ThePlanyThing. It's a thank you postcard. She's from the Netherlands. And this is a lot of fun. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Patreon, at Plany, P-L-A-N-Y, thing, T-H-I-G. Alright. And this is a little bag of goodies that I want to show you. Along with this gorgeous purple cover, she had a series of the purple-green washi tapes that match it, that match the flowers. And I thank Planning with Bumble for introducing me to ThePlanyThing, and she likes the grid, the graph type of washi tape. It keeps everything nice and straight and neat in your planner. But these are mostly florals washi tapes, and 2 different sizes, so that's fun. And I got 2 sticker books. One is 502 stickers, 30 sheets, called Happy Seasons. And another one is 450 stickers, 30 sheets, called Crystals and Florals. Shall we take a look at these and a deeper look at these? She has these that match the cover designs that she comes out with. So this one has some that match the cover and the washi tape. The other one has some Hawaiian flowers that match the other one. So do I need to bring it in a little bit? Yeah, to show you. Now I do believe that there are 2 pages of each design. So here we start with the fall. This one is the seasons. Got some cowboy and hometown feel to it. I like the mug in the middle. The umbrella and the rain boots. Ooh, nice orange fall decor. Now these have the circles and squares that go in your planner. These are not on a shiny material so that you can write right on the paper. And they match, these boxes match what before. So these are the winter ones, snowmen and a barn and snow and gates and empty trees. I like the street lights too. A little birdhouse. This is neat, having the snow. You can kind of do a little winter scene on the bottom of your pages, and this would be a Christmas scene, like a homespun Christmas got a gingerbread man and a cookie house on there. Now these are on clear. I like the fireplace there. All the flowers and the embellishments are on clear. This has got like your poinsettias and your pine boughs. On there. And now you have the matching paper ones that go with that color story. Ooh, here's a summer one. We've got a swim party. We've got a watermelon and kiwi and lemon garland and flip-flops and your flamingo drink holder and donuts and drinks. That's fun. And lighthouse. Like at the seashore. Boats and palm trees. And one of those cloth beach chairs. And even a boardwalk. That's really cool. She has ideas that I have never seen before. These are the Hawaiian type flowers that go with that too. There's some in each book, it looks like. And they're on the clear. And then these are now on the paper that go with that theme. Here are maybe like deep summer. These are the purples. Beautiful, beautiful. I like the corner. And then you have like a spray to go on top. Easter. This is the spring one for sure. Easter bunnies and chickies and a lamb. What a great idea. Easter egg cake, Easter eggs. Beautiful. Oh, I'm going to use them this spring. And then the colored boxes to go with it. And there were 2 sheets. Yeah, there are 2 sheets of the color boxes as well. That's beautiful. It's really going to be fun to do the Easter scene with those chickies and bunnies. Come on now. And the other one, crystals and florals. I'm not into the whole crystal thing, but I used to collect rocks, and the colors are beautiful. I can't argue with that. Look at the purples. Look at the purples. Wow. And these are on the clear. If you're putting them on your planner, in your planner, and they're on the clear, some of the light colored ones you might want to take an erase or a white marker or something like that and go over it before you put the sticker down, because you might see the black line, the grid or whatever underneath it if you put one of the clear stickers on it. Wow, these are big. These are big stickers. You have frames, crystals and flower frames, and the paper ones to go with it. Very nice. Ooh. Here's like the Hawaiian themed ones. It's got the pinks in with the purples now. And some blue-green, like ocean blue. Beautiful colors. Look at the bird. Look at the bird. This would be beautiful at the bottom. It'd be nice if it had someone both, like, the opposite, but you could create it that way. Like mirror images, what I'm trying to say. Oh, this one has black feathers with it. It's got a little bit of black in addition to this one. So it's got a little darker feel. And the colored boxes to go with it. Greens and purples. Absolutely beautiful. It's translucent. It's got like a translucent feel to those leaves. Yeah, see, you can really see it here. And she is the artist that creates all of these for you. These boxes have like a gold ring in the inside. Beautiful. And the boxes to go with it. I like things that are color coordinated like this because you can do a whole spread, a whole sticker spread to decorate your monthly pages, your monthly calendars, your weekly pages, even your daily journals. Even your daily journals. Okay. Well, thank you for stopping by to show you the ThePlanyThing. And if you are so inclined, I will link her information in the description box below, so you can grab your own if you'd like. Alright, thank you Divas for stopping by. Like and subscribe. Click the little bell if you want to be notified as to when our Tuesday night lives come up, where you see me unpack some of this stuff for the first time, just to give you a sneak peek as to what's coming up, and just to have fun with the Workbasket community. Alright, thank you for coming by, Divas. I hope to see you soon. Bye.